Well, I think Zach made a number of very important points. I want to call out two of them because I think that they're critical as far as how we march forward. One is cloud computing and managed services go hand in hand in concert with data center consolidation. You got to think about both of those in concert in terms of where are you going in the future? How are you modernizing your infrastructure? What opportunities are you going to seize when you move to this other data center operating model in terms of migrating your applications, going to the cloud, et cetera? So, in the other point I'd like to bring out is it was talked about in terms of place. Where does it reside? But if we extend that concept a little bit, what we're seeing is more and more physical locations becoming a factor. Mm-hmm. If we look at the needs of the agencies, and they're growing over time in terms of data, the driving factor in our industry is the flow of data and that volume. So what we're seeing is more and more organizations, both federal and commercial, are trying to locate their data centers as close as possible to major backbone connections.
Sure, for the connectivity.
So if you think about it, the needs of the future are going to demand a super fast highway for data. Mm-hmm. And the proximity of your on-ramps to that highway and your off-ramps matters. Location matters.
Right.
So I think what we're going to see is this model of essentially taking your enterprise to the network is going to be a huge enabler in terms of cloud and managed services. Jim, you brought up a good point earlier about culture. Mm-hmm. And so as we're working across the enterprise quite often, and I think it's very easy to think about data center consolidation and other transformations as an IT initiative, mm-hmm. or solely as a cost reduction initiative, where organizations are moving to is data is their greatest asset, mm-hmm. and they need to start to think about organizational behavior, organizational design, those sorts of things, because the consolidation to the data center really is an organizational culture shift.
Yeah.
And so embracing that, likely, you'll see bigger benefits in terms of business process, service to citizens, et cetera.
Yeah, you're